welcome to a pretty dead Disney Springs at like 10 a.m. on July 4th. Happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th of July. Happy birthday, America. That's why I'm wearing Captain America today. You're also looking very festive.
Thank you.
We'll get you more head to toe later on. It's hard to do it when you're like in selfie mode, filming yourself.
It's true.
I know. We need to there's a new vlogging camera we want. We've got our eye on. Adam the Woo is testing it this morning.
DJI.
Yeah.
It's been on the list for a while.
It like turns while you're holding it.
I think he got like the newest model, and like just the normal DJI has been on my radar.
Yeah. We've seen it around. We saw Molly and Anna Club walking through.
Yeah, we've seen it.
Magic Kingdom.
I mean, they're like way more discreet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which we're all about.
Yeah.
So naturally, we're standing in front of the most ostentatious restaurant in
We
Disney
are.
Springs, but it is dead. We're in Planet Hollywood.
Welcome to Planet Hollywood.
We're not here to go to Planet Hollywood, though.
No.
We are here to go. I'm so excited. We're here to go to Homecoming.
Yay!
We don't have reservations. They're strongly encouraged. They're almost required.
Let's see how busy they are.
We'll see.
It might not be
Usually
so
get your
bad.
Name on the list. Yeah.
So what's really cool about Homecoming, over the next 4 days, they're doing brunch. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So
That's what we're here
it's hands down one of our favorite meals.
The
We
nice
haven't
thing
had
is-
it in a long time.
We haven't had it in a long time.
Yeah.
And the nice thing is even if you don't have a reservation, you can often get a spot at the bar.
You can.
And that's our preference anyways.
Yeah.
So let's get in there and order. I think I'm going to have the ultimate breakfast sandwich. I was eyeballing the menu already.
I don't know what I'm going to have yet. I haven't
Yeah.
looked at the menu.
There's a very strong drink, so I'm going to morning drink for America.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go.
Here it is, Chef Art Smith's Homecoming. Art Smith, by the way, in case you didn't know, used to be Oprah's chef. And then he opened, I believe, a chain of restaurants. This is one of many he owns. Need to do more research to give you more information because that's about all I know on Art Smith right now. I'm tapped out. But yeah, it looks nice and quiet. So I think we're just gonna head straight into the bar. Well, plenty of bar seating, and we got our favorite spot right here in the end. It's like a table at the end of the bar. You excited, Amber? Oh, by the way,
Oh, hello.
there's Amber, very fashionable, very festive, looking good. But it's busier at the tables, but not slammed. We tried to get a reservation, we couldn't, but we knew this would be available, and we were right, so I'm pumped. Here is the menu to Chef Art Smith's Homecoming. I think we're gonna start with some Everglazed donuts here, personally. And what I love about this weekend brunch menu is the Rise and Shine cocktails.
Two of our favorite drinks on Disney property. Adrian got the tropical itch on the left, and I got a blueberry mimosa. That tropical itch is the strongest drink on Disney property, isn't it?
That I've had, yeah.
Yeah?
If you
Yeah.
get two of these, you're off to a strong start, let me tell you. And I've only done it on a few occasions. I would also point out this wasn't on the Rise and Shine cocktail list. You're not limited to that. The full cocktail menu is still available at brunch. And that's where this is from. So it's $18. It's a little bit more expensive, but you get what you pay for because this is loaded to the hilt, but it tastes like Gatorade.
It's fantastic. Cheers.
Cheers. We're getting this party started early. We got some Everglazed donuts. This is from the Everglazed Donut Shop, which is another location within Disney Springs. And getting some fresh fruit. I'll be hitting that. But these are delicious. You can get these if you order the fried chicken too. But I didn't feel like fried chicken. I did feel like some donuts, so voila.
So personally, one of my favorite things about the Everglazed donuts here are these are far more manageable than the Everglazed donuts at their actual location because they call this a mini donut. This looks like a normal donut to me.
Yeah.
When I think we've probably shown you a donut from there once or twice, maybe.
Yeah.
They are normally like, yeah, I
For
would.
perspective,
Yeah, so I would say that they're typically like
almost my entire hand.
I would say they're like 3 times the size.
And they're like,
They're so thick, and
Yeah.
I mean they're delicious, but they're a lot.
yeah, this is much more manageable.
This is far more manageable, and they are the same delicious.
Yeah, this is like a slightly heartier Krispy Kreme glaze, I would say.
Yeah.
And are as good, if not better. In my
I think,
opinion.
yeah,
It's
I
all
think.
subjective, right? Everybody's donuts taste are a little bit different, right?
I don't think you've met a donut you don't like.
Yeah, I'm pretty forgiving. Donuts are like pizza, like even the worst ones still probably pretty good, you know?
Yeah.
All right, the real party has arrived. Amber got you got this French toast, right?
Yeah, I got the French toast, and I picked.
Hearty.
My side is bacon.
Oh yeah, bacon.
There it is. I kind of wish that I could have gotten the kids' version of this. This is intense. I think you'll be eating some of this.
I'm happy to help.
It looks delicious.
Yeah, that's what America's all about. I got the ultimate breakfast sandwich. This thing is loaded. There's a fried egg on top of bacon, a ham patty. I looked that up.
Yeah, but
Yeah, ham patty, pimento cheese, sausage on sourdough. Freaking yum. And then I got some fruit on the side, which is actually delicious. Still working on my tropical itch. I don't know if it's going to be a 2-day, but I think America deserves that, so we'll see what we can do. And then the only complaint is, look, they give you like a teaspoon of syrup, so we ever wisely ordered some more. Oh, and it just came. Look at that. Boom. Now you're ready to party. Let's rock.
let's do it.
Okay, check out this cross section. Look how thick the ham is. There's the egg, plenty of bacon, and the sausage looks delicious. Yum. Oh, and there it is. There's the syrup on the French toast.
The syrup for her.
This place, this is a must. In my opinion, this is like an attraction at the Walt Disney World Resort, right? Am I right?
It is.
It's
And
a must-do attraction.
Like I really wish that I was in the mood for fried chicken this morning,
Right.
Because this fried chicken is to die for,
Yeah.
and neither of us got it today.
This
but
is easily one of our favorite restaurants, and we haven't been here in like 5-6 months.
It's probably been that long.
Yeah.
It's just, I think it's just very hard to wake up and have a fried chicken meal when it's already 90 plus degrees outside. So
Yeah, and while it is the bar, there's still seats to be had. This is still a hard bar seat to get later on in the day. So, bon appetit, Amber. Well, here, no. Let's have this bite. First bite. Here we go.
that's delicious.
The face says it all, folks.
So good.
Cheers.
Let's do a mid-meal McDonald's review.
I mean, like, this is the classic. My eyes are bigger than my stomach because I'm regretting those donuts right about now. They were so good, but like
Look how good
this
that
is
looks.
so hearty.
It is hearty.
I mean, like, there's a fork. That's how tall it is. It's halfway up the fork.
Yeah, I had a bite of it, and it is delicious.
Yeah, I mean, it's not a piece of, like, that's like a ham steak.
They really should have given you a steak knife to cut it.
We should have. It was a challenge.
And it's delicious. So here I am on my French toast. I personally should have thought about, like, this is a very sweet, heavy breakfast for me. I don't normally have donuts and French toast, so I'm typically a protein girly, but it just called to me. That French toast is light and fluffy. It's not overwhelming. There was a lot of it to me, but it's not heavy. So, highly recommend.
So we're out here on the side deck of Chef Art's Homecoming. That's the outdoor moonshine bar right there in the center of the screen. Great place. You can get a refillable cup. Highly recommend that if you're into moonshine. They have different flavors. Look how pretty this spot is, though. It's on the literal Disney Springs, right? If you're into the theming here. And I love these little like floating lanterns they have. It's so pretty. And I think, Amber, is that Blaze Pizza over there?
That's deluxe.
That's Deluxe Burger. Okay, my
Blaze
bad.
is back there. So
Okay, and there's Cochina.
So if you go,
Oh, Blaze is across the way.
Blaze
Okay,
is,
over there. Okay, that's right. They have the lake kind of stretches around the backside of Art Smith's. Anyways, let's do a recap of this place. That was so good. I'm so full. Amber, are you?
I'm
full?
stuffed.
Yeah, I'm full too. And there's like Irish music, and I kind of want to do like a jig. You hear it? Raglan's got it going on.
They do.
We should check on the per hour, so the outdoor bar over there. Anyways, I did look up a little bit more trivia. Art Smith, he's got major Florida connections. He was a personal chef before Oprah. He served Florida governors Bob Graham, rest in peace, he passed away recently, and Jeb Bush. So he worked for both of them. I think it said he went to Florida State University. Then he worked for Oprah. He has a few restaurants in Chicago, including Blue Door and some others. Some are closed, some
He has
are not.
several, yeah.
The one in Atlanta had closed that we read.
There's definitely one on Navy Pier that opens.
Yep. And then this establishment, obviously, here in Disney Springs. He also has Disney connections, we read, because he went to the culinary program at the Walt Disney Magic Kingdom College program.
Oh, nice.
Back in the day. So he's a Disney guy, too.
That's really cool.
I had no idea. The more you know. We probably won't come back here for a few months. At one point, Amber, we do love the fried chicken here. Amber mentioned that earlier. We swore to ourselves we'd come here once a month for fried chicken. That fell apart because even once a month is cheap. It's almost too much.
It's a lot, yeah.
It is a lot.
Especially for fried chicken.
Right? That meal with our discount, our Disney discount, the AP discount, came to $85, I think.
Yep.
So not too terrible. Granted, my tropical itch alone was an $18 drink.
Yeah.
To put it in context. So, and the bang for the buck is spectacular. Very filling. I didn't finish the last bite or two of my sandwich. I certainly didn't finish my fruit cup. Amber didn't finish her French toast. Although we did have an appetizer. That's right, and that includes an appetizer. I almost forgot about that. So, yeah, I think you get a lot of bang for your buck. We're going to go walk off some of this in the Springs, maybe head over to World of Disney. But if we don't, I'm happy doing a sign-off right here. What do you say? Have fun storming this castle if you ever come on a visit, and
stay magical.